Good morning, children. Here I have taken your square and square root chapter, exercise 6.3 NCERT questions. What is the question? Find the smallest whole number by which, all of you know what is whole number, should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square. We want to get a perfect square number. And also we have to find the square root of the number, which is a perfect square number. So first example I have taken, it is 252. I change the color of pen so that it will be visible to you. So 252, already you know the prime factorization method. So I start with 2. You know the divisibility rule. So 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, and 1 is carry over. So 2 6 12. Again this number is divisible by 2. So 2 6 is 12 and 2 3 is 6. Now we check, it is not divisible by 2. So 3, when you add 6 plus 3 is 9, which is divisible by 3. So we take 3. So 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3. Again it is divisible by 3. We have 3 and 3 7 is 21. So what we have got? 252. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. When you see that this is in pair, this is also in pair, but this 7 is not in pair. So which number we will multiply? Question is that. So if I multiply here with 7, then the number is a perfect square. So the number to be multiplied will be 7. This first part we have done. We have to find out square root of the number, which is the number 252. That is the number 252 into 7 we multiply. That will be perfect square. So 7 2 is 14, 1 carry over, 7 5 is 35, 6, 3 carry over, 7 2 is 14 and 17. So you have to find out the square root of 1764 also. That you can easily do. That it is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So find out this work I am leaving you for you. All even number questions you will do of question 5. The next just same, but the smallest number by which it should be divided. So get a perfect square. So second number I have taken 2925. It is not divisible by 2. I check by 3. So it is 3 9 is 27, 2 2, 3 7 is 21, and then 1 5 3 5 15. Again it is divisible by 5. I write 195. It is again divisible by 5. So I am getting 39. And 3 1 is 3 and 13 3 is 39. So I am writing here it is prime number. So what you have got? 2925 is 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 13. So I am not getting 13 in pair. That means the number will be to be divided, by which we divide, is 13. So that we are getting remaining number, that 2925 if you divide by 13, it will be a perfect square number. And then you have to find out the prime factorization of the number, square root of the number. So obtain. So second part you do again. Ninth question, all even number questions you will do this. Question number 6. Question number 9 is find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers. What are the numbers? 4, 9 and 10. So if we take smallest number, so we take LCM of this. It is 2 2 is 4, 9, 2 5 is 10. LCM I am getting 280. But you see it is not a perfect square number if you break it. It is not. Question is we have to find out square number. So how do we get? If we multiply by 5 here, I am getting a perfect square number. You see all the 2, 3, 5 are in pairs. So if I multiply 180 into 5, 900, that will be the least number, the smallest number which is divisible by the 4, 9, 10, because here it is, I am getting 180, but it is not a perfect square number. So how I make it perfect square number? By multiplying 5. So the smallest number square number is 900. This way you will complete the